Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to create a batch. Batches for items created. You can add MRP and expiry date for the batch of items. How to create a new batch item. To begin, head to Items under the Masters tab. Now, select New Item. Choose Stock Item and Batch Item option. Enter the necessary details, including item name, unit price, unit type, item category, and tax rate. To save the item, click on Save Item. Your batch item is now created. How to create a new batch. To begin, head to Batches under the Masters tab. Now select New Batch. Enter the necessary details, including item name, batch number, MRP, and expiry date. Now to save the batch, click on Save Changes. Your batch is now created. How to create a purchase invoice of a batch item. Now to create a purchase invoice, go to Purchase. Select New Purchase. Enter the vendor name. Choose cash or credit. To add the item, select Add Item. Enter the necessary details, including item name, quantity, and batch. Click on Add Item. Enter the invoice number. Now to save the invoice, click on Save. Your purchase invoice is now created. How to create a sales invoice of a batch item. Now to create a sales invoice, go to Invoice. Now click on New Invoice. Enter the customer name. Choose cash or credit. To add the item, select Add Item. Enter the necessary details, including item name, quantity, and batch. Click on Add Item. Now to save the invoice, click on Save. Your sales invoice is now created. Thank you for watching.